In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate Google to access Airtel India services. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be seamlessly connected to everything Airtel has to offer, from Wi-Fi to postpaid services. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.google.com in the address bar. Google is our starting point as it's the most efficient tool for finding specific websites and services. Once you have Google open, you'll see the familiar search bar front and center. Go ahead and click inside that search box. Next, enter Airtel into the search bar. It's a straightforward search term that will quickly direct you to Airtel's official website and other services they offer. After typing in the word Airtel, hit the Enter key or click the search icon to display search results. Now, scan the results page for a link that says something like Airtel, Wi-Fi, postpaid, prepaid, DTH, bank and business. Clicking on this link will take you directly to Airtel's main webpage, where you'll find a wide array of services that Airtel provides. This is the door to everything from telecommunications to financial services. Once you are on the Airtel homepage, look for an option labeled Claim Now. This is usually prominently displayed as Airtel frequently offers exclusive deals and opportunities for their users. Clicking on Claim Now will take you to the area where you can apply for any current promotions or benefits available to Airtel customers. The next step is to ensure you can manage and take advantage of these services efficiently. To do this, you'll need to download the Airtel application on your device. While still on the Airtel page, locate the section or link that guides you on how to download the Airtel app. For the final step, if you're using your PC, you'll want to open your browser and type in PERPLEXITY.ai. Sign in using the same account or email that is linked to your Airtel services. This gives you access to Perplexity Pro, which is a tool designed to enhance your experience with Airtel's digital services, making the management of your account even more seamless. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly navigate Google to make the most of Airtel's comprehensive services without any hassle. Remember, technology is here to make life easier, so don't hesitate to explore and try out different features that Airtel offers. Thanks for watching.